In today's video, I am showing you how I plan for the month. So if you like this video and you like this concept, please leave a comment below and let me know. Right now, I am showing you some of my stickers that I normally use to help me just formulate my month and also my week. So I use a planner called Planner Envy. This is like my second year using this planner and I totally love this planner so much. It will help you to be organized. This is some of my previous months, how I set up my days, my themes for the week. So I wanted to give you a glimpse. Now I do have a pen and a highlighter pouch. I call this my pen pouch and I truly enjoy like the different colors, right? So this month is July. So I'm really doing like a red, white, and blue type theme. And I think I do have like an accent color. As an adult, I do feel like we just kind of just throw away being a child. And I honestly love using different colors and highlighters and also stickers. So as you see right here for this month, I am actually planning out some of the things that I need to do. So when I'm thinking about my month, I'm thinking about what am I doing in those days. And as you see how many workouts I need to do, praying, journaling, smoothies I have on here. So I really do think of like the overall goals that I actually want to achieve this month, having family time. And then what I do is I look through my stickers and I see which like stickers kind of just correlate with that theme, kind of just what I want to put for that day and that time. I actually carefully think about the colors that I am actually using, and I legit like go through every page of my stickers and I strategically select like which sticker that I want. I really enjoy doing this because it's so therapeutic, and doing this I layer my stickers, I color them out. I really just like doing it because I feel like I'm playing again. You know, like we get so caught up in being adults, we get so caught up in paying bills and doing different things, and actually just having this moment that I just set aside time for myself. So the theme for this month is to ignite, right? So I'm thinking like igniting in my passion and my dreams. I thought about fireworks and really just like the 4th of July. So I really just want to just really just add that spark to my life. So after I do that, I have this crazy way, not to say that I know calligraphy or whatever, but it was a couple times I actually looked at a couple videos to kind of just see how to write fancy or whatever. Also in my planner too, I just kind of just think whatever I just want to just put in these spots, right? So prayer is something that is so important to me, as well as just really just making sure that I just show up, right? Show up the way that I want to show up in my life. So I always think about like, what does that ideal person look like? And every single month I plan for it. And in certain parts of my life, I always say like, God, thank you, right? So think about like where in your journal or in your planner where you could just write like your affirmations. So I always write like prayers about, you know, my life, how thankful I am of everything that God has allowed me to have thus far. And I really just like write notes to God. So these are things that you will find everywhere in my planners. And then the next thing I would do is I just like to add just more stickers because I have so many of them, a combination of like the happy planner. I do have like some Christian like stickers that the happy planner stickers. I do have like Christian like stickers, things that say like God, Bible verses, and all of that. So I really do just like to add those parts into my planner because it really just brings it all together. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh my gosh, I'm a Bible scholar and I'm perfect, because that's not the truth. However, I just enjoy just having just different stickers to just, it's almost like a way of self-expression, right? So this sticker book that I have right here, I actually ordered this one from Amazon and I've been using this for a long time. So I am really looking for like some brown girl stickers specifically. So all of these stickers that are left, no offense to anyone, but those are like the rest of the stickers that I have not used. So I don't mind like the different colors. I just prefer women that look like me. So I am applying like these stickers again, like right in my planner. So within these parts, I always think about like the important dates that I have have that are coming up. And again, I just layer everything like according to the flowers. I make sure that everything is to my liking. If there's something that is kind of just off, I always straighten it. So I don't think I quite finished everything. I just wanted to show you all how I actually do my layout. This is so true. Like, my planner is so filled with just everything that I love. So yeah, so if you like this video, again, leave in the comments that you like this, and I will show you how I plan my days out, because normally I would sit down and plan out my week, every single thing that I do need to do for the week, and I go from there. So leave a comment below, let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. And these stickers are some of the stickers that I truly enjoy, and I use these all of the time. So let me know if you want more content like this.